All right, so here is another variation. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So now I'm going to single crochet this row. Remember, second loop from the hook. I did one, but I did not tuck in the ends. So here's what it looks like. So you have the single crochet right here, then the half double, and then the double. So let's continue on with the single crochet on this row. And don't forget, when you get to the end, it's chain one, turn. And I'm getting close to that. This is taking the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double crochet, and mixing them in here together. So now it's the half double row. If you turn your hook just right, you should be able to pull through all of them. This yarn was that yarn burr from Premier. So I just figured I would use it to do this pattern. Every now and then the yarn splits and separates, and I don't want that. I just want the complete yarn, not the separation. I do have my book. And there is $31 designs. So I'm hoping I can do some of them out of this. So chain one, turn, and now it's the double crochet row. See how the pattern is forming? So you have the single crochet down here, the half double, and then the double. I'm doing all the basic ones first. And right now I am doing the patterns with those 3 basic stitches of the single, the half double, and the double, and mixing them in on dishcloth. I do have where I started writing them down, so I have a reference of which one is what when I go to grab one and be like, oh, that's this. I showed you, there's a video of all the different cottons, and I'm going to use those cottons in the different dishcloths. So here I am approaching the end again for the double row. So we're going to grab this last one, and I always turn my hook to make it easier to go through, and then that way I'm grabbing all of the strings, because this one is kind of separating, so that's kind of a pain in the butt. So then you chain one, turn, and you do the single row again. All right, so I have continued to work on this, doing the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double. It is like 6.5 inches tall and 7.5 inches wide. It does fit on my hand. I'm going to finish it off with the single crochet, provided I can pick up my thing. And so chain one, turn, And this one right here is 32. Because remember, I chained 33, and then I went back to the second one from the hook. So here is this pattern. I will tuck the ends in later. Thank you.